A Southwest Airlines plane narrowly avoided a collision with a private jet while landing at Chicago's Midway International Airport. The Southwest Boeing 737-8H4 had departed from Omaha, Nebraska on Tuesday morning. Footage of the terrifying moment shows Flight 2504 aborting its landing as the Flexjet aircraft was entering its path. The Southwest pilot performed a quick go-around after briefly touching down on the runway in order to avoid a catastrophe. The Flexjet plane, a Bombardier Challenger 3500, was heading to Knoxville, Tennessee before the near collision. No one was injured in the incident, and the Southwest plane landed safely in Chicago after the incident.